What's up, everybody? It's your girl Ebony Jean. I hope all is well and you're enjoying your holiday break. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing featuring the Wig Fairy. This is my very first partnership with them. I am so excited. If you've never heard of the Wig Fairy, please follow them on Instagram. They are an incredible resource for the hair loss community, and I cannot wait to tell you more about them in this video. All right, so let's go. Okay, here is the gorgeous Tiffany blue box. They sent my wig in. It is so beautiful, and on the front it says hair or no hair, a smile is the best accessory any girl can wear. XOXO, the Wig Fairy team. Oh, they sent me a pop socket for my phone. I need another pop socket. And I have some brochures. I have their card, their thank you card. So the Wig Fairy is a salon based in Beverly Hills, California. It is specialized for the hair loss community, and I am so grateful for them. They make quality wigs for us, okay? Quality wigs. And I put so much emphasis on that because I've worn wigs in times past and they were not made well from other companies. Like I just had an ill experience, but the Wig Fairy is the best of the bunch, okay? I can guarantee you this because they go out of their way in doing consultations. They make sure that you are comfortable with your piece. Also, they do color customizations, cuts, styles. They'll make sure that your wig is catered to you, just for you. Here's the inside of the wig. This is so comfortable. Oh my goodness. I love the cap at the top. It's wonderful. I love how they stitch this together. It's very soft. It doesn't create friction. And then you have the hooks at the bottom so you can adjust it to your level of comfortability. Okay, here are the details. Her name is Sienna. She is 100% Brazilian human hair, 22 inches long, and she's a deep lace front wig. So you can color in the part with different wig powders. They have them available on the website. I'll link them below. No adhesive is required. Put down the got-to-be glue and your double-sided tape. I don't need those anymore because of this wig. The Wig Fairy also partnered with the Brave program. The Brave program is a nonprofit organization where they provide wigs for women of lower income through donations. This means a huge deal to me because I know what it's like walking into a hair salon, finding the wig of your dreams, and you're not able to afford it. So I know everyone is going through hard times right now financially. This is where the Brave program comes in. They have different financial options available. Make sure you check it out. And if you still want more information on the Wig Fairy, please contact them. Tell them that I sent you, okay? Please tell them that I sent you because I want you to get the full experience. But thank you again so much to the Wig Fairy for gifting this beautiful wig to me. And thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. If you have any more questions, hit me up. Follow the Wig Fairy and the Brave program on Instagram. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. Also, you'll get a 20% discount using my promo code. I'll list it right here and I'll link it down below off of their platinum and diamond collections on the Wig Fairy's website. This is included, so go support your girl and the Wig Fairy. Thanks again so much. I love you all and I will see you soon. Bye.